Hey, Al. Can I help you out in here?
Oh, I'm all set, thanks.
Gotcha. Good. I'd go with the rose. That's a good idea. Today is Diversity Day, and someone's gonna come in and talk to us about diversity. It's something that I've been pushing, that I've been wanting to push for a long time, and corporate mandated it. And I never actually talked to corporate about it. They kind of beat me to the punch, those bastards. But I was going to, and I think it's very important that we have this. And so I'm very, very excited.
That's the thing, it's very sturdy paper, and on the back it says 100% post-consumer content. What? Hello? Uh-huh. Wait, what? I'm sorry, Mr. Deckard, I think I'm losing you. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Hold on one sec, I don't know, hold on one second. Do you really have to do that right now?
Yes, I do. I should have done this weeks ago, actually.
Mr. Deckard, I'm sorry about that. What were you, can you hold on 1 second? Yeah, just 1 second. Thanks.